Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that we were doing lesson number 3, our neighborhood, and yesterday we have completed activity number 1, and I hope that you all have completed activity number 1 in your notebooks, EVS notebooks. Good. And anybody who has not completed this work, please children complete it as soon as possible. Okay, now today we are going to do lesson number 3, our neighborhood, activity number 2. Okay, and in this activity I will be giving you 2 questions, 2 parts. Okay, first part will be of fill in the blanks with the words given in the help box, and the second part will be of arranging the letters to form the place names of places which are in our neighborhood. Okay, so there will be 2 questions. First of all, I am going to explain you the first part, and then after that I will explain you the second part. Okay, now before starting, I would like to tell you all that please listen to my video very carefully and understand the activity, how you have to do it in your text, in your notebooks. Okay, so listen to this video very carefully. First of all children, you will take out a new page in your EVS notebooks. Okay, and you will write today's date, that is 2/9/2020. Okay, 2/9/2020. You will write the date, and then in the first line you will write lesson number 3, our neighborhood, activity 2. Okay, now the first question is fill in the blanks with the words given in the help box. Now this is a help box in which you have some words. Okay, these are the answers of these fill in the blanks. There are total 8 fill in the blanks and there are 8 words. Okay, these are all 8 answers. So you have to read the sentence first, and then you will fill the blanks with the correct answer from the help box. Okay, आप help box में से correct word देखेंगे, correct answer देखेंगे और sentence को पढ़ के उसमें लगाएंगे, लिखेंगे. Okay, now first word is restaurant. Okay, second is bank, third is hospital, then fourth is chemist, fifth is post office, sixth is library, seventh is school, and eighth is pet shop. Okay, now first sentence. What is the first sentence? We can send a letter and buy stamps at the dash. हम letters कहाँ पे send करते हैं और stamps कहाँ से खरीद सकते हैं? What is the place from which is the place from where we can buy stamps and send the letters? It is the post office. So post office is written here, so you will write from here. The correct answer is post office. Okay, in this way you have to do. Now second question, we go to the dash when we are hungry. जब हमें कभी भूख लगती है और कुछ अच्छा खाने का मन करता है, बाहर का खाने का मन करता है, तो हम लोग कहाँ जाते हैं खाने? Restaurants. Okay, so the correct answer is given here, restaurant. RESTAURANT, restaurant. Okay, now the third sentence is we go to the dash to buy medicines. Now children, listen to this sentence very carefully. Here it is written that we go to the dash to buy medicines. हमें medicines जब खरीदनी होती हैं तो हम किससे खरीदते हैं? Chemist. Okay, you go to a chemist shop to buy the medicines. Yes or no? Yes. So you will write the correct answer, chemist. Chemist is given here, CHEMIST, chemist. Is that clear children? Now whenever you are sick and you want to go to the doctor, so where you find the doctor? In a hospital. And when you are going to buy the medicines, you buy them from a chemist shop. Is that clear children? Now the fourth sentence, we study from 9th to 12th grades at the dash. 9 से 12th grades तक आप अगर स्कूल पढ़ते हैं तो कहाँ पढ़ते हैं? स्कूल में. Okay, so the correct answer is school. SCHOOL, school. Now the fifth sentence, we can buy a cat or a dog at the dash. Cat and dog हमारे क्या है? पेट एनिमल्स. तो इनको हम कहाँ से खरीद सकते हैं? पेट शॉप से. ओके, द करेक्ट आंसर इज पेट शॉप एंड इट इज गिवन हियर इन द लास्ट. Okay, so PET pet, SHOP shop, you can see from here and you can write. Okay, pet shop. Remember children, don't make any mistakes because the answers are already given in the help box. You just have to look the spellings. You have to just find the spellings from there and you have to write it in your blanks. Now, the sixth question. We can borrow books from the dash. Now, हम लोग बुक्स पढ़ने या बोरो करते हैं कहाँ से? बुक्स के लिए कौन सी जगह होती है? लाइब्रेरी. ओके, सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज लाइब्रेरी. LIBRARY. ओके, नाउ द सेवेंथ सेंटेंस, व्हेन वी आर सिक वी गो टू द डैश. जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो हम कहाँ जाते हैं? हॉस्पिटल. HOSPITAL, हॉस्पिटल. ओके, now the last sentence, eighth one is, we can save money at the dash. हम लोग मनी कहाँ पे सेव करते हैं? बैंक में. Okay, so the correct answer is bank and it is written in the help box. It is written here, so you can write from here to here. You can write BANK, bank. Is that clear children? So I hope you all have understood the first part of the activity. Okay, now coming to the second part of activity 2, that is put the following letters in correct order and find the places in a neighborhood. Now children, in this exercise what you have to do, यहाँ पे हमने 8 words jumbled दिए हैं जिसमें सारे letters गलत लिखे हैं, उल्टे पुल्टे लिखे हैं. Okay, then what you have to do, first of all you have to arrange the letters in correct order. आपको अपना दिमाग लगा के इस वर्ड को समझना है कि इस लेटर्स से आपका क्या वर्ड बन सकता है जो आपके नेबरहुड में वो जगह का नाम हो. ओके, सो वो आपको इसमें से करेक्ट करके फिर यहाँ पर करेक्ट वाला आंसर लिखना है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज MACNIE. सो हमारे आसपास, हमारे पड़ोस में क्या चीज़ होता है? सिनेमा हॉल. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज CINEMA, सिनेमा हॉल. ओके, सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज फॉर दिस वर्ड, द करेक्ट आंसर इज सिनेमा. नाउ द सेकेंड इज ERTAHTE. So in your neighborhood what you find? Where some kind of organizations are done, some plays are organized there. So that is these are all theaters. Okay, so THEATRE, theater. Okay, now the third is CFAE. What is that? Yes, it is cafe. CAFE. The correct spelling is CAFE. And what is a cafe children? Where you go and sit and drink coffee. Okay, cafe is a coffee shop. Now fourth one is KABN. What is the correct answer? Bank. BANK, bank. Okay, and bank is a place where you keep your money and jewelry safe. Okay, now the fifth one is EMSUEM. So from this you can make a word museum. Okay, the correct spelling of museum is MUSEUM, museum. Now children, a museum is a place where we can find old things. Okay, museum ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हमें पुरानी चीज़ों के बारे में पता चलता है. Okay, so the correct spelling of museum is M-U-S-E-U-M, museum. Okay, now coming to the next sixth word, Gipnposh, Crente. So this is the correct answer is yes, shopping center. Okay, and what is a shopping center, children? Shopping center is a place where you can find many things अंडर वन टेरेस. एक ही छत के नीचे आपको सब सामान जहाँ मिलता है, दैट इज शॉपिंग सेंटर, और यू कैन ऑल्सो से अ मॉल. ओके, सो यू हैव टू put these letters in correct order and the correct word will be formed. The correct word is shopping center. Okay, now coming to the seventh word, RAMSREPTEKU. So the correct answer is supermarket. Supermarket is a place from where you can get your cereals, pulses, rice, okay, and groceries. All the grocery you can get from a supermarket. Okay, now eighth word is TPSOFEFCOI. Can you all guess what is the correct answer? Yes, very good, children. This is post office, and post office is a place from where you can buy postcards, you can buy envelopes, you can buy stamps, and the most important thing which you can do, that you can send letters to your friends and relatives, okay, who are staying outside the city. You can send letters to them. Okay, so the post office is very helpful to us. Okay, children, so this is the correct answer. POST, post, OFFICE, post office. Now I hope, children, that you all have understood the second part of activity 2, and it is very easy and entertaining. Okay, you can complete it, and make sure that you complete this work in your EVS notebooks, and very neatly, very nicely you complete your work. Okay, children, till my next video your work should be completed till here. Okay, bye bye, children. Take care, stay at home, stay safe.